Hey everyone, welcome back to my art channel. Today, I'm drawing a realistic blue eye using colored pencils. I start with a light sketch, just to capture the shape and flow of the eye. Then, I gently define the lashes and the eyelid, keeping the lines soft and natural. For the iris, I'm layering different shades of blue, light in the center, darker around the edge, to create that shiny, glass-like look. I darken the pupil with a black pencil and leave a tiny white highlight to make it sparkle. Next, I add a soft pink tone on the waterline and carefully blend the shadows to make everything look smooth and realistic. The eyelashes are drawn with light, flowing strokes, always following their natural curve. Finally, I shape the eyebrow with short, gentle lines and blend slightly for a soft finish. And that's it. The blue eye is complete. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relaxing art videos. Thanks so much for watching, and peace.